If you want to make delicious coconut dishes, having a good coconut grater is very important. So here's some of the best coconut graters you can use, and I'll put them in the description as well. The Zulay Kitchen Coconut Grater. This handheld grater is easy to use, and it has sharp blades that quickly grate fresh coconut, so you can easily hold it and scrape the coconut meat. Number 2, Norpro Coconut Scraper. This is a sturdy grater that you can attach on your kitchen counter. It helps you scrape out the coconut quickly, and it's great for making coconut milk or adding coconut to recipes. Number 3, Prepara. Prepara Coconut Grater is unique. It's designed to sit on your counter. You simply press down on the handle to grate it, and it's very convenient and fun to use. Number 4, Coconut Grater by OXO. This is a comfortable grip grater. It has a wide surface area, also very easy to use, and makes grating coconut quick and simple. Number 5, Electric Coconut Grater. For those who want something powerful, an electric coconut grater can do the job in no time. It's great if you need a lot of grated coconut for baking or for cooking. So basically, with these graters, making coconut treats will be easy and enjoyable.